Alright guys, so welcome back to Socially Bearded. Happy Sunday. You know what Sunday means? It is another shaving video or product review or something that has to do with traditional or just regular shaving. Regular shaving. So today, like I said, I've been doing some soaps here lately, some different shaving creams, different consumable products, basically. So today we have got, honestly, I think that's how you hold it. I don't know how to hold that label. So this is actually a new brand to me. I have never used this. This is Murphy and Mcneil. And the scent, I think you say that Pisgah. And if that's not how you say it, it's Pisgah. It's one or the other. I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce it. But whenever I was looking through on the razor company, I was just kind of checking some stuff out, and the scent of this really jumped out at me. We'll go over that here in a minute. But this is just your standard shaving soap. When I bought this, I actually thought I was buying the version that had bear tallow in it, which is basically rendered down fat from a bear. Turns out, I guess I grabbed the wrong base, so I have the one that has beef tallow and duck fat in it. So again, this is an animal product, or it has animal products in it. So if you are a vegan, this might not be for you. Again, we are going to perform, we're going to do a head shave today. And for the razor, we're going to go with just the old Dollar Shave Club 4-blade. I don't know if any of you guys seen my review on that or not, but if you remember, I really enjoyed this 4-blade from the Dollar Shave Club. Surprisingly, I really expected not to like that razor, and turns out it's actually a really well built razor, especially for the price. It was like $8 or $9, something like that, maybe 10 even. But anyway, you can sometimes you can pick this up at the razor company. It's $20. It is a 4-ounce. I'm not going to go over all the ingredients. There's a lot of big words on there. I can't say half of them properly, and the other half you guys are just as clueless about what they are and what their function is as I am. Here in a second, we will kind of go over the scent, though. While we're doing that, let's go ahead and just jump in and start building our lather. Alright guys, so, also, today we are going to use the 24mm Amber Aerolite from PAH Shave. This is... that's one of the biggest 24mm brushes. It's got a really wide splay on it. It's one of the biggest ones I've got, but I really enjoy this brush. It has this big old honking handle on it. You can hold it up here. You know, you ain't got the lather all over your hands, making everything slick. You know, all that nonsense. So, real quick, I did overuse that soap. That was just strictly my fault. Like, I just put too much soap in there. That is 2 or 3 times what you need to perform 2 shaves with. So we'll throw a pretty healthy amount of water on it. Got the brush is pretty wet, and we'll go to town. So while we're doing that, guys, we'll kind of talk about the scent a little bit. Now, a lot of times in your shave soaps, they're kind of somewhat cologne based, so they have base notes, mid notes, top notes, stuff like that. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's already building up nice. I don't know if this is a thirsty soap or what. I don't know how much water it can handle. This is, like I said, this is my first time with it. So your top notes of this soap are going to be like bergamot, Biggerade, I think is how you say that. Cardamom and incense. Incense might be a mid note. I'm not sure, but it's got the incense in it. Also, it has lavender, which I think these are the mid notes now. Lavender, ylang-ylang, however you say that. Tobacco. Oh gosh, guys, look at that. Look at that. That is, see if we can kind of focus in on that. Get a structure there. Orris, peony, and then like plum or plum blossom, something like that. Oh guys, this is just fantastic so far. Oh, what a nice structure. And then your base notes are going to be like vetiver, cedarwood, amber, patchouli. I think it's got some vanilla in there, some guaiac wood. I know I'm leaving a few out. It's a big scent list. It's a really big scent list. It also has something called ISO Super E. I don't know what that is. That's on the scent. I have no earthly idea what that is. Or ISO E Super, I think is what it is. Whatever it is absolutely phenomenal, the scent. Now, I don't know how the shave's gonna go. That's a pretty nice looking lather though. I'll give it that right off the cusp there. I'm gonna try to dig some of that out. That needs water. That definitely needs water. Let's dip our brush. But the scent, what I'm getting from the scent is you get like a cologne vibe. It's got a masculine, kind of a masculine, like sophisticated, almost dark scent, but then your top notes kind of bring a little bit of citrus, a little bit of floral, stuff like that. It's a really well-rounded scent. I would kill for this in a beard product. Kill for this in a beard product. This is a thirsty soap. I've put a bunch of water to this, and it's gonna take it. I think it's gonna take whatever water you throw to it. So we're gonna put a bunch and we're gonna scrub it. Let's get that mixed in there. Ooh, you know, I've always heard tons of good about Murphy and Mcneil. Never tried it. Super pumped to get to try them today. The pricing on it, like I said, that's $20 for a 4 ounce. That's $5 an ounce. That's in the shave community, that is what's considered expensive, but it's still purchasable, if that makes sense. You know, it's a lot of the guys, they won't spend over $20 for a 4 ounce soap. So it is right there. You know, where a lot of the content creators in the shave community will still purchase it. Oh, look at that! Goodness gracious! I gotta admit, I'm pretty pumped. So let's go ahead and wet the head up and get ready for our shave. Use a little bit of the PAA pre-shave cube today. We're not going to use much. We've got 3 days growth, so the hair is pretty soft. Just a little bit there to kind of get it started. Whew, golly, I cannot get over that. Oh, look at that go on there. Look at that go on there. Oh, man. How nice. How nice. What a nice filling soap. Man. That has got the slickness to it. I mean, that brush just glides. Look at that, guys. Check that out. Just a big old fat, thick layer of lather there. Oh, I really like this already. If this shaves half as good as this feels, we have found a winner. We have found an absolute winner. I think I actually finally got enough water to it too. It feels like I do. I might be a little too excited about this one. So I started to go with the leaf for today's shave, but I said, you know what? I'm going to use something that's kind of quick, that I know for sure has worked well for me in the past. I've actually used this razor several times, and the lube strip is pretty much gone on it. So that's, you know, that won't be adding no extra lubrication or anything like that to the shave. So we're gonna kind of see how it goes, guys. Let's jump right into it. I can't wait no longer. Oh man. First pass felt great. Oh yeah, excellent slickness. Beautiful slickness. Oh yeah, I've got a layer of slick just right there on top of my head. Very nice. Oh goodness. Guys, full disclosure. This base right here, even without the bear tallow in it, This could easily make my top 3 bases right here. I mean, obviously I'll need to shave with it a few more times. But guys, I am telling you right now, if you have not tried Murphy and Mcneil and you're not vegan, pick something up. Do it without hesitation. Oh gosh. And that scent, every time you hit that soap with the razor, that scent just explodes. That real nice, manly, kind of a dark floral. If you can picture a dark masculine floral just engulfing the entire bathroom here. You know, my video last week was from the studio, right? I was gonna do that again, and I got to thinking, I said, you know what, these kind of soaps here, they kind of blow up with lather, they spill over the side of the bowl. My computer's right there, you know, all my $100 equipment and stuff. So I said, you know what, let's just go back to the bathroom, and we'll just go from there, you know, and we'll see. We might do some more from the studio. Guys, let me know what you like better. If you like the studio shaves better, or you like the bathroom shaves better. Here pretty soon we will be shaving exclusively in the bathroom. I'm gonna have a camera mount built into the wall. We're fixing to remodel this whole bathroom. It's outdated. My house was built in the 40s. The bathroom's been here, so it's just completely outdated. I've actually got all the materials purchased and out in my building. I'm just waiting for my help. The guy that helped me do my roof, and really I helped him. He knows what he's doing, I don't. So really I'm the help. But he's getting ready, and it won't be long, and we're gonna rip the tub and the shower out. We're gonna build it all from scratch. We're not gonna buy a shower insert. We're gonna use cement board and tile, and we're gonna build a really nice big shower right behind us. Gonna redo some stuff that you can't see around us. It's gonna be really, really nice. So stay tuned for that. I'm sure I'll have some pictures on the Instagram, and I'll keep everybody updated. But yeah, so we're also going to we're gonna build a camera mount into the wall. Or we're going to build something that will accept a camera mount into the wall. I'm not going to leave the mount there. I mean, that'll kind of be ugly, but we're going to build something into the wall that will accept some kind of a camera mount. I don't know what I'm going to use exactly. I have not found that yet, but little tip for everybody: if you're a head shaver, the worst thing you can do as a head shaver is not get your neck. Is stop right here. You know what I mean? It's what would be your lineup section. Get that neck, guys. Always remember to get that neck. Half the time I forget to even put soap on it, but I still hit it. Oh, I can't say enough good about this soap. All the way from the scent to the feel to the slickness, the lather. Oh, that lather structure was beautiful. Beautiful structure in the lather there. It can handle water. Can handle pretty much all the water you can throw at it, I think, in my opinion. I might have just had too much soap on there, but it can handle a good amount of water. I dipped my brush, 5 times in the sink there, and I didn't just dip the tips, I dipped the whole thing. I sunk that brush all the way up. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I want to do a second pass. I don't need it, but I want it. The old lump on the back of the head there, it's the hardest part for me. Oh, the residual slickness left from this soap is it's there. I mean, my head is just, and it's dry right there. It's just, there's just a residual slickness left. My hand's not sticking, nothing. I did miss a spot right there though. Stir it up there. Oh, what a beautiful lather. I mean, what a beautiful lather. Look at that. Goodness. Oh, gosh. This, you can't put too much lather on your head, I can promise you that. But that is just such a phenomenal feel. Excellent slickness. This is up there with, gosh, I don't even know what to compare it to. There's some soaps, which, you know, everybody's going to have their own, their favorite. You know, everybody's going to have a favorite. Everybody's going to have a favorite base. Everybody's going to have a favorite scent. I totally get it. I don't have a base, as of right now, I might find some problems later, but I don't have a base that I like better at this exact moment. So if you've tried Murphy and Mcneil, I can almost guarantee that you know what I'm talking about here. That lather structure is just mind-blowing. I actually got 2 soaps in the same day, and one of them was the Palmolive shave cream, and I was so excited about that because that's an old school product that I used that one first. I now regret that. I wished I would have used this one first, which doesn't matter. The hair's always going to grow back, but I am absolutely in love with this, with the base, the scent, everything. You know, let's just leave the scent out of it. Even if this was an unscented base, I'm still reaching for this as often as I possibly can. You will definitely see more Murphy and Mcneil on this channel. I'm actually after I post this video, I'm gonna reach out to the owner and just give him a pat on the back. I don't want to reach out for him to him before I drop the review. I don't want him to think that that I'm trying to bum free products off of him or nothing. But yeah, after I drop the review, I'm gonna reach out and I'm gonna just kind of give them a little pat on the back because they have done a phenomenal job. Got a little few spots I missed back there. Not really missed, it's just a little bit of stubble left. No fault of the razor, no fault of the soap, just a lot of hair there. That residual slickness that's left is just mind-blowing. Which this razor might be getting a little dull too. I've shaved a few times with it. So it could be the razor getting a little dull. Let's go ahead and get that soap off of us. Ah, what a killer scent. It smells so good. So good. I'm on cloud 9 with this soap. Man, the skin is just insanely soft and smooth. Let's check for irritation. Wet that old head up a little bit. We'll just rub this all over it. Oh, not a bit. Nice. That's the alum. That's the alum block. And alum will burn a little bit if you've got irritation or cuts or anything. Oh, what a great shave. What a great shave. Nothing. I felt absolutely nothing. Guys, I don't know what else to say. I'm not going to sit here and say I recommend it, this and that and everything else. You guys know what I think about it. If you have not tried Murphy and Mcneil, pick it up. A lot of their scents sound insanely good. Like, they have some really complex, nice cologne scents, but they've got more too. Check them out on their website, or check them out at the Razor Company. The Razor Company is a really good place to buy from. They offer free shipping after $10, and they don't, generally, to my knowledge, they don't up the price from what the manufacturer's price is. So really you save by using the Razor Company. So guys, that's, again, I 100% recommend this. I don't know what else to say about it. I do appreciate anybody that clicked on this video, whether you made it to this far in the video or not. And guys, we will catch you on the next one. Hey everyone, thank you for watching. If you're new here and you want to support the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and remember to follow me across all social medias.